Welcome to the third lesson of the Energy Changes topic. In this topic, the key questions are 1. What are electrochemical cells and batteries? 2. What are fuel cells? Key terms that you need to be familiar with: cells, batteries, fuel cells. In today's lesson, we will talk about the application of electrochemical cells and the potential benefits and risks associated with them. Task. Now, please pause the video and think about where electrochemical cells are used. Hint: cells produce electricity as they contain freely moving charged particles. Extension. What types of cell are there? How does the lithium cell operate? Now let's discuss these in detail. Electrochemical cells are used to produce electricity, and they are important energy sources in our everyday lives. They have two different metals with different electrode potentials, and the potential difference, voltage, induces electrical current to flow through the system. There are rechargeable and non-rechargeable cells. The rechargeable ones can be used again and again by reversing the chemical reaction, electrolysis, and charging the cell up again and again, reversible process. On the other hand, non-rechargeable ones involve irreversible reactions. There is a third type of cell that is called a fuel cell. Lithium batteries are very common nowadays, and they are used widely in electronic devices. In a lithium cell, the following reduction and oxidation reaction happen. This means that the metal lithium loses its outer shell electron, and that electron helps to produce the complex lithium complex ion in the reduction process. Task. Now please pause the video and try to describe what fuel cells are. Hint: fuel cells do not require recharging. Extension. What are the benefits and risks of using different types of cells? Now let's discuss these together. Fuel cells operate by using fuels that can be any material that can be oxidized: hydrogen, methane, ethane, methanol, etc. The fuel is introduced to one of the electrodes, anode, where it is being oxidized. On the other electrode, cathode, the oxygen is being reduced, and the reduced fuel and oxidized oxygen then form a product. The most simple fuel cell contains hydrogen and oxygen, and it produces pure water. The process is well represented in the image below. Other types of fuel cells contain similar processes, but the type of fuel is different. Fuel cells have a wide range of applications, mainly in transportation. There are large benefits of fuel cells that include their high effectiveness, their low operating cost, and the lack of requirement to recharge them. However, safe storage of fuels can be expensive. Remember, many fuels are flammable or even explosive. The use of ordinary electrochemical cells is still more common. However, their safe disposal is sometimes expensive and complicated.